Well, so I have great news. Lexus finally replaced my dash and these carbon fiber pieces that are on the front under the ZLZ or ZLZ program. The downside to this, as you've heard me talk about in other videos, is that this has been a very long, drawn out process, back and forth with brand engagement, the dealer, the left hand not talking to the right, and first saying they're going to approve all of them, then they're saying they're only going to approve some of them. And then finally, when we get to go and replace everything, the dash piece got damaged in shipment. Nobody actually looked at it until they were ready to replace it. So I went all the way to Dallas, 2 hours away, and they said, sorry, we can't do it just yet. So another couple months go by. They ordered the carbon fiber parts. Well, nobody looked at one of the 2 carbon fiber parts, and one of them was damaged. So again, we had to wait because it all has to be done all under the same ticket all at once. So here we are, February 2025, finally got everything replaced, and total cost out of pocket, $0. So we're glad that finally happened, but that brought me to another thing that you've heard me talk about in the past, and that is the cold that causes these to fail. So if you look at real close here, so you can see how it's failing on the edge there. If you get real close, what I'm gonna do, the other edges look okay. So it's just on the bottom part there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a freezer. So not overnight or anything like that, just to draw the temperature down quickly and then bring it out and see if the rest of it's gonna fail and crack. So my plan with these is I'm going to go get these refinished. How did I end up with these? Lexus requires that the tech or the dealership hold on to them for 3 to 5 business days and to request if they want them back. If they don't, they're fair game. So here they are. Let's go ahead and jump into it. We'll throw these in the freezer and see what happens. So there's my trusty steed, Lulu. Gonna throw it in the freezer here with a timer for about half an hour. We'll track the temperature and the time and see what happens. Ooh, taquitos. Anybody hungry? Okay, so it looks like in that 30 minutes or so, temperature got down to 7 degrees Fahrenheit from 74 where it started. And wow, look at how fast that happened. And that's why you see guys that park these cars outside overnight may have already started on an edge, and it overnight looks like this, and that's exactly why. It's kind of a design flaw in either the substrate or the resin that Lexus decided to use for this, and that's why so many of these, not quite 100%, but nearly 100% of them will fail. And it's unfortunate because this piece is so expensive. Let me know in the comments, have you guys had this happen to your GSF, or if you've been shopping for one, have you seen this? It's something to pay very close attention to if you just see it starting on an edge. So we're going to throw it in one more time. You can see the temperature's coming back up at about 66 right now. So we're going to put it in for another 30 minutes. Man, I want some taquitos now. Okay, so we got down to 9 degrees Fahrenheit, and it looks like it went even more. So you can see it's going to continue to creep down until all of the resin has delaminated. So I just wanted to show you guys that's kind of how this comes to be. If you see it starting on an edge, park it outside one cold night or have the air conditioning vents blowing on it, this is what's going to end up. And some people have successfully refinished these. Some have not done such a great job, but there is a process, and there is a company out there in Florida and some other places that do offer refinishing services for these. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.